I don't know if y'all can see us or not. No, it's kind of dark here. Let me get some light going there. We decided that we wanted some Cold Stone, so we got up, got back dressed, and headed to Cold Stone to get some Cold Stone. Get me
craving.
Late night cravings. So
it's not even. Oh wait, yeah, it's like 9 o'clock.
It's kind of late, past my curfew.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
This one, because I didn't show that last one once I wiped it down. But it's definitely much cleaner. I will be taking them off again to clean them again. I'm going to put my little highlights on. Overall, y'all see, it's just a quick job. I didn't really do nothing. I got to put the wheel back on for the brakes, but wait till I take them off again and clean them up. And I'll see. Welcome to New York City!
Where you get these nasty stickers on your car.
And the construction symbol on the rear.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Shit. Woo.
Sorry, we meant to show y'all what we got from Mekong to eat.
But we ate it.
We ate it. The spring rolls with the lettuce wrap. Oh my god, it's amazing. And the vegetable fried rice. If y'all go look back at one of our previous videos, when we sat down and ate there, we recorded it. So y'all can like see what they have. I think what we're gonna do is like do a full compilation of all the places we ate. We have enough footage on pictures.
Yeah.
Gotta tap it off with the water. I'll keep the water this way. I can't get my free promo again. Everybody go pick up the kids. Tomorrow we're gonna take them back to the garden. Mr. Softy. If you're from New York, you know. Oh, that truck says, yeah. I want to say it says not Mr. Softy, but it is Mr. Softy. New York summers Mr. Softy Ice Cream Trucks is on the way in. I thought the music was lower than that. I hope we can use that footage.
I think that was soft enough to
Fade out. I hate coming on this because
experience.
I was flying down this one day. I was doing the speed limit, I should say.
Absolutely.
You know, when I got to the exit, the cop was gonna pull me over, but I tried to hit him with the swindle and turn. The busted U-turn came behind me and was like, I clocked you up there, man. He was doing about, he said 70 something, but I was doing 35, but he said I was doing 70. I just didn't understand how you was weighed up here on one of these overpaths and you met me down at the bottom, which I think is bogus, because if you wasn't on the road I was on, how you gonna clock me from a whole nother road and then come after me? So I will be going to court to fight that one. It is what it is, but he was definitely waiting for me when I came off down on Ocean Parkway. Like I said, believe me or don't believe me, I was doing the speed limit. I'm always doing the speed limit, as you can see. Speed limit is 45, I'm doing the speed limit, see? Yeah. Your eyes might be deceiving you, don't believe everything you see. It might say 60, but I'm doing 45 for real, for real.
I'm trying to get something out of my bag.
I think we should do a video of what's inside a rain bag, cause like,
yeah, that's a classic. At least the chicks know what I'm talking about.
bag is like super heavy.
Everything but the kitchen. Everything but the kitchen.
It's this traffic. Flashing lights.
Beam, beam, take a shot if you see your beamer.
Going to Harbor Freight for a second. They're gonna have to stay tuned to see what we buy from there. Oh, drop the camera.
Was that the rock?
So this is what we picked up from Harbor Freight. These two things, I don't know what you need those for.
Put it there.
Oh. Got the buffing pad. Say it ain't so. Ocean? Oh, I just washed this car. You see how you already destroyed my tent back there? Sabi. Ocean, can you please get your feet out my seats? Ocean, can you please get your feet out my seats? Lock the windows because he like to roll stuff down. Look at your print, bro. Look at that. I just washed this car. Yo, what's all that noise you making? You want to get your feet out my seats? You want to get your feet out my... Yo, stop touching stuff. I just washed this car, bro. So you just going to put your whole palm on my windows? That's what we doing? Nope. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Put the whole window down because it is good.
Where's the party at? Ow. My finger.
Yeah, alright. You look about 12.
He looks 12. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Where are you grabbing? No, don't grab that.
No, she got another one in her car seat? Or is that the other
No, I
one?
have it. Here, baby. Here's your other one.